Hello, sir.
Hi,
Good morning. I always
hi,
like
Sachin.
to start by saying good morning because that's a good start to do. Thank you very much. The kind of devotion that you're giving is commendable. It inspires me. The first and foremost benefit I got out of the morning routines is the routine. So earlier it was if I'm sleeping late, I'm getting late.
Yeah,
So it's as and when it was there. But with your routines, I've taken it very seriously. So I make a point, may what come, may what situation, I have to start my day by 6 o'clock.
hmm.
And this is like a igniter. For a train to start, you need to ignite the engine. So you have just ignited the engine in us, where at least I know in the whole 1 hour, you touch upon everything. You let us get into some meditation mode. You let us do some physical exercises. Then you make sure we all write the journals. So touching upon every element which is important to have a very good day. So during the day also there are ups and downs. There are situations which are out of control. But
Yeah,
since we had a good foundation, good start, you are still balanced. This is what
yeah,
I've observed. Where I'm lacking is like I've still not started filling the journals and that part. As you told, one more very good thing about you is every Friday that you come up and talk to us, and at times you repeat things. But I think this repetition is so necessary for us. So I joined a little late, but I just heard when you told K just having knowledge, knowing things doesn't make sense. Implementing it is more important than anything else.
yeah.
So this is where I'm lacking. I would admit that part. I've I'm just on the starting role. But
Great.
every time you putting the same thing, it becomes my responsibility. Yes, sir, itna kar rahe hain. If you're doing so much for us, doesn't it? Isn't that my duty to at least give back by doing what you are asking me to do, and that too is for my own benefit,
Yeah,
not yours. So thank you very much.
great, great. Keep it up. Good, good going. Your foundation is building. That is very important. Now, slowly, slowly,
Yes,
things
yes,
will change. Just make sure you work on your 2XP growth program right now.
yes, yes, yes.
That will really
Thank you,
help you
thank
get
you.
clarity.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Probably I
Okay.
would get in touch with Vedant to help me in that 2XP program also.
Yeah, yeah. Sure,
Yeah,
sure, sure. Get accountability partner. Get in touch with people who already completed, and take help
yes,
from them. Discuss with them. You'll get some ideas.
sure, sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Sachin. All the best. Sai Teja, you want to share something? Everybody type more power to you,
Yeah.
MPTY Sachin in the chat. Everybody type MPTY Sachin. More power to you, Sachin.